Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Cumming, Georgia in this neighborhood called Brookmeade by Toll Brothers. And this is a neighborhood of 179 homes with amazing amenities, and they are in the last phase of construction. About 4 or 5 lots are remaining plus the model, but luckily also Toll Brothers is opening another neighborhood right next door, which will be sharing the amenities with them. About 35 lots in that neighborhood, and the builder is offering some amazing incentives to buyers. So today I'm taking you on a tour on this Ryland model home, which is one of the most popular model homes, about a little over 4,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and it has 2 kitchens. That is one of the highlights of this particular home, an open concept. You will absolutely love it. Let's go check it out. If you are thinking about making a move to Atlanta but don't know where to start, or need help figuring out where are the best neighborhoods, where are the best places to live, or where are the best schools, I would love to help. My team and I specialize in new construction homes and custom homes in the North Atlanta area. Make sure to reach out to us at the number on the screen so we can schedule a Zoom call to understand your situation and help you make a smooth transition to the Atlanta area. You want amenities? This place has it all. It has a swimming pool, it has tennis courts, it has a beautiful clubhouse, it has playground for kids, it has a fire pit area, hiking trails, biking trails, and it's close to all the amenities that Cumming has to offer. If you're thinking about making a move in 2024, and if you have a home to sell, I would love to do a complimentary evaluation of your home and provide you with all the available options that put you in the best position to move forward. Give me a call at the number on the screen if you're interested in this community or any other community in the North Atlanta area.